Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the chapter on directions. Okay. So yes, Avdesh, Sanjay, Lakshita, Rohan, Aditya, Nishan. A very good afternoon to you all also. Okay. And now we are going to talk upon the very interesting topic of directions. Let's dive into it. So now, don't we all know this? North, south, east, west. So we all know these 4 directions or rather 8 directions because when we are talking of directions, we say that it's north, south, east, west. And then between north and east, okay, so between north and east, we have this. This is my north, okay, this is my north and this is my east. So when I'm facing north, the east is going to lie on my right hand side. On my right hand side. Okay. When I'm facing north, when I'm standing and I'm facing north, the west is going to lie on my left hand side. Okay. This R has not come out well. Okay. So when I'm facing north, the east is going to be on my right hand side and my west is going to be on my left hand side. And towards my feet, I will have the south. Okay, towards my feet. Now between north and east is my NE is north east direction. Okay. Between east and south, this is my south east direction. Between my south and west, this is my south west direction. And between my west and north, this is my north west direction. Okay. So this is how it happens. If you want to remember in terms of states of India, so in the north, you can have Jammu and Kashmir, or you may have even Haryana. Okay. So then in east, we will have Assam, Bengal. Towards the south, we have Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Towards west, we have Maharashtra, Gujarat. Okay. So in terms of that also, in terms of map also, you can remember this. Okay. So do it in whichever way you are more comfortable with, so that you have you get used to it. So we have, if we move cyclically, so if I move from the north, so first I have north, then northeast, then east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. Okay. So this is how the directions are. Okay. Then in those questions, you will also have that I turn left and then I again turn left, or I turn right and then I turn left, or you know, all those combinations we're going to see right now. Okay. Just Jyoti, Karna, Abhinav, yes, Manjunath, Rahul, yeah, Abhinav. So what happens is that sometimes they will ask you that I moved from my left, I took a left turn and then I took a left turn. So if I'm standing here, okay, facing north, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay, when I'm facing north and I'm standing straight, then they're saying one left, another left. So once I turn left, okay, once I turn left, what will happen to my face? I am facing west. Okay, then I again turn left, okay, because this is my left hand side. So I'm turning left again. Then I am facing south, okay, or down, okay, down or south. So if I'm facing north or if I'm facing up, one left turn, I'm facing the west side. Another left turn, I'm facing the south or the down side. Okay, so in the book, you've given, in the study material is given left plus left is equal to down. It's telling you that if from here, okay, I'm facing you, if I move here, that is towards my left, I face this side, and again if I move towards my left, I take my hand left and I go back, then I'll be facing opposite you. Okay. Now, second one is left and right. Okay. So what happened here? I'm facing north. I take one left turn. Okay, I take one left turn. So what will happen? I'm again facing west. But now what happens is I am going to turn right. Okay, I am going to turn right. So I'm standing here. So this is my right hand side. I go back. So that is, I go back to the original position. So this, when I turn to the left, I face west. And again, if I turn to my right, I am back to the original. So this is up. Okay. So this is my up and this is my down. Okay. So I get this. Then right and left. Okay. First right, then left. In the second one, what has happened? I have first turned left. This is my first turn. And after the plus sign is in my second turn. Okay. Now in this case, they are saying the first turn is to the right and second turn is to the left. Okay. So in this case, if I'm standing like this, facing north, when I take the first right turn, what will happen? I'm going to face east. Okay. I'm going to face east. Now what they're saying, now when I turn left, okay, so I turn left. So I come back here, I turn left. So again, I'm facing which direction? Upward direction. Okay, so this is up. Okay. Now let us see. Next is right and right. Okay, so when I took two left turn, can you see here? When I took, okay, when I took two left turn, direction became down. Now we are talking of two right turns. Let us see what will happen. It will result in the same thing. Okay. So if I turn left and left, I go back. So one left, second left, I go back. Now if I'm facing you and I turn first right, another right, what will happen? I will again face the back or the downside. This is my upside, then that will be my downside. If I'm facing north here, I'm going to face south. Okay, so there's just a difference in the words that I used. I either say I'm facing north or facing up. Okay, so this is the possibility. So if I take one left turn and another left turn, then I will go in the opposite direction. That is, if I'm facing up, I will be facing down right. Again, the same thing applies for right. One right turn, another right turn, I'm going to again face down. Okay. Now, if I have the combination one left, one right, okay, first left, then right, I come back to my original position. So if I face first left, okay, I move to the left. So, okay, so I move to the left and I again move to the right. So first I'm facing you, I move to the left, then it's this direction, I move to the right, this is my right side, I come back. Okay. Same thing applies if I take the first right turn and then the left turn. First right turn, I go this direction. Then left turn, so I come back to the up direction. Okay. So you can see here, left gives you down, right gives you down. Okay. So left gives you down and right, first right turn, second right turn also gives you down. Then you have first left, then right, you get the up. And first right, then left also gives you up. Okay. So these two pairs you've understood. Now let us see. Up and left means left. Okay, I'm standing like this. I just move 10 feet in front and then I take a left turn. That means it's a left turn. Okay, so up and left is left, up and right is right. Okay, so if I move along the same direction and then take a turn, so then it is as good as taking a turn there itself. Okay, so I move 10 feet and then I take a left turn, so I'll be facing the left. If I move forward and take a right turn, it will be a right. Okay. So this is what is meant by in the study material. Hope you've understood this. Just let me check. Then we go to the first sum in the module. Yes, Nitul. Good afternoon. Yes. Yes, Amit, Pratigna, Hit, Liza, Diksha, yes, Rafika, Zeba, Anand, yes, Divya. Okay. Ashdeep, as we go along with the sums, you will understand more and more. Okay. One thing, see, just talking about it is not enough. When we do it in the sums, the clarity will be more. Okay. Now, a man starts. A man starts from a point and walks 2 kilometers to the north. Turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers. Turns right again and walks. What is the direction now he is facing? So the man is standing here. Okay. So let him stand here. Okay. Then what does he do? He walks 2 kilometers towards north. Okay. So this is his north direction. Okay. You know, if you have any doubt with these sums, always show this like this. So this is my north. So what is he done? He's walked 2 kilometers to the north. Turns towards his right. So he's standing here. This will be his left side and this will be his right side. Okay. So then he turns towards his right. So he will turn here. Okay. He walked 2 kilometers north, turns right and walks 2 kilometers again. Okay. So he's moving in this direction. He'll walk 2 kilometers. Turns right again. Okay. Now what is happening here? In this point, at this point, this is his left and this is his right. At this point, this is his left and this is his right. So he turns again. Just let me show this. We are not able to see the question. Okay. A man starts from a point, walks 2 kilometers. Okay, we have already walked 2 kilometers towards north, turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers, turns right again. Okay, so turns right again and walks. Okay, so he's walking now in this direction. So in which direction is he walking? He is walking towards the south direction. Right? He walks 2 kilometers north, turns right. Now he's facing here and then walks 2 kilometers, again turns right and walks. Okay. So he is walking now. He is facing the north. Okay. Just a minute. Yes, very good, Nitar, Tanishka, Achal. Yes. Yes, Lakshita also. Very nice. Rafika, good, good. Yes, Ashdeep. Okay, now you got right and right. Okay, so let us see. You can even, if you remember that right and right means down. Okay, right and right means down. So here I have to taken first right turn, second right turn. So where am I facing? Down. Okay. So this is how you have to solve it. Okay. I will, for the first question, I will show it to you again. See what is going to happen. You're going to stand at one place. Okay. I'm standing here. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay. But what are they telling you? That first you are walking straight. 2 kilometers north means I'm walking straight ahead. 2 kilometers north. Okay. This is 2 kilometers north. Then where do I turn? I turn to the right. So right is which side? This direction. Okay. This is direction. So 2 kilometers to the right. Now what happens is I have to check again. Where is my left hand side? This is my left. This is my right. What are they saying? Turns right again. Okay. Turns right again. And so I move this direction. Right? I hope now everybody is understood. Aditya Darshan, why is it not southeast? Because they would have told you he moves at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, that is when we move to this direction, north, northeast, southeast. Okay, right now they're saying go straight, go right, go left. So in those questions, you will not go in the diagonal directions. Okay. Now next question. Yes. Ramu walks 5 kilometers starting from his house towards west. Okay, so first point is here. Then turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Thereafter, she takes a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. Further, she turns left, fourth, and walks 3 kilometers. Finally, she turns right and walks 3 kilometers. In what direction is she from her house? Okay, whenever you're doing direction sums, just write down 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll know how many times she has turned. So we'll reread the question. Ramu walks 5 kilometers from his house. Ramu walks 5 kilometers from his house towards west. So that is first turn. And then turns towards right. Okay, so starting point, where does it go? He's standing in facing north, he will go towards the west. Okay, then turns right. So second, then and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, thereafter, once they are saying it's a she, then they are saying it's a he. Okay, thereafter, he takes a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. Further, she takes a left and walks 3 kilometers. Finally, she turns right and walks 3 kilometers. In which direction is she from her house? Okay. Now, let us see. I will say, suppose Ramu is here. Then what will happen? She walks from a house towards west. Okay, so this is towards west. How much is she going to walk? 5 kilometers. Okay, 5 kilometers towards west. Then she turns right. Okay. Just write it over here so that it can fit in one page. Okay. So she turns west and walks 5 kilometers. Okay. Now what happens? Then turns right. This is her left hand side and this is her right hand side. Okay. This is her left and this is her right. So she turns right and walks 3 kilometers. So she turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Okay. Thereafter, she takes a left turn. Now, once she is facing down, this will be her left and this will be her right. Right? This will be her left and this will be her right. Thereafter, she takes a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. So, she is taking a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. So, now she is here. This is her left and this is her right. Finally, she takes a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. Further, she turns left and walks 3 kilometers. So she's here. Now she's taking a left. This is my left. So I will take a left. Okay. And walk 3 kilometers. Okay. Finally, so once she's here, this will be her left. This will be her right. Finally, she turns her right and walks 3 kilometers. Turns her right because she's turning right, walks 3 kilometers. In which direction is she now from her house? Okay. Now she's here. This is my north, this is my east, this is my west, and this is my south. If I'm standing here, in which direction am I walking? Okay. If this is my original position, if this is Ramu's original position, in which direction is she? She is to the east, right? So this is to her east of. Now see, okay. You have to be careful with the wording. In what direction is she now from her house? Okay. This direction, standing here, this is her original position. Now where is she? This is her final position. Okay. Now, in what direction is she from her house? She's standing here. What direction is her house? This is towards her west. Okay. Now, had they framed the question from her original house, which direction is she? So, from her original house, it is the east direction. Okay. So, now you have to be careful with what they are asking. So, they are asking in what direction she is now from her house. Okay. So, she is in the final position from her original house. Where is she? She is in the west direction. Okay. Just let me know you have understood. Yes, Pranav. She started moving towards west from her house, right? She moved towards her. Okay. Yes, so let us go with this. This is her standing position. Okay. Ramu is here. He walks towards his west. So this is west. How many kilometers? 5 kilometers. Then once he is here, this is his left, this is his right. Okay, this is his left and this is his right. So from his walks 5 kilometers, then turns right. Okay, then turns right. So this is his right and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, and walks 3 kilometers to the right. Thereafter, taking a left turn. Okay, so this is his left and this is his right. Then takes a left turn and walks 2 kilometers. Okay, 2 kilometers to the right. Further, she takes, now she's here. Now this is her left and this is her right. Further, she takes a left and walks 3 kilometers. So left and walks 3 kilometers. She is here. Now this is her left and this is her right. Okay, so finally she walks right and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, walks 3 kilometers. So which direction is she facing from her house? She is facing, okay, this is your north, this is your east, this is your west, and this is your south. So which direction is she going from her house? She is going towards the west direction. Okay, she is going towards the west direction. Yes. Okay, so there you have to pay attention to which direction she is moving. Yes, Arshdeep, it's west in the question. Yes. Yes, Lakshita. Yes. Ronit. Okay. So when you move towards the east, earlier solution I have given. When she moves towards the west, this is the solution. Okay. So you have understood how you can do when you're moving towards the east also, or when you're moving towards the west also. And in the question also remember which direction from they're asking the question. So here they're asking in which direction is she moving from the house. Okay. Which direction she is now from her house. So just put an arrow to whichever direction you're moving, you will get. Now she's moving in this direction. Which direction is this? This is the west direction. Yes. Thank you all for this thing. Yes. Ardendu? Good. Yes. Yes, Saima. You want it again? Okay, well, then again. Now, what is happening here is that I will draw this. So this is my north, east, west, and south. I'm standing here. Ramu is standing here. Ramu walks 5 kilometers from his house towards west. So he moves west. This is my west direction. This I move towards west 5 kilometers. Okay. Then I turn right. So when Ramu is standing right here, this is his left hand side and this is his right hand side. So he moves towards her right 3 kilometers. Okay. Then walks right and walks 3 kilometers. Then takes a left turn. So this is my left. So once somebody standing here, left is this side. How many kilometers? 2 kilometers to the left. Once here, this is the left and this is the right. Okay. So further, she turns left and walks 3 kilometers. So from here, this is the 3 kilometer. Then facing here, this is the left. If this is the right, but they say finally she turns right and walks 3 kilometers. So right is this side. So walks 3 kilometers to the right. Now as she is walking, just put an arrow. Once I put an arrow, In which direction is she now from her house? In this direction. This direction is the west direction. Okay. I can see from here, this is the west direction. Okay. Saima, I hope you've understood. Now let us go to the next sum. Yes, Abhinav. Clear? Yes, Divya. Yes, Mohammed. Yes, correct. Now let us see where this one is moving. Gopal starts walking 2 kilometers straight from his house. Gopal starts walking 2 kilometers straight from his school. Then he turns right and walks 1 kilometer. Okay, so first thing he's going to do is he's going to start walking straight. Okay, first. Second, then he turns right and walks 1 kilometer. Then he turns right. Again, he turned right and walked 1 kilometer to reach his house. Okay. If his house is to the southeast from his school, then in which direction did Gopal start walking from the school? Okay. Now, earlier somebody was asking me about this direction. So let us see. Somebody is standing here. This is my north. This is my east. What do they need? Southeast. So this is my south. Then southeast will be this direction. This is my southeast. What are they saying? If his house is to the southeast from his school, then in which direction did Gopal start walking? This is his school. And this is his house. Okay. If his house is to the southeast of his school, then which direction did Gopal start walking? Now what they are saying is, Gopal started walking 2 kilometers from his house, from his school. Then he walked right and walked 1 kilometer. Okay. And then he turned right and again walked 1 kilometer. So let us see. If Gopal is standing over here, he walks straight from his school. Okay. Suppose, see, there is east, west, north, south. So here is my school and here is my house. From school to house, I can either go this way. Okay. So this is my school. So either I can go from here to here or I can go from here to here. We have to check which direction did he move. Okay, let us see. If he moves towards the east, if from the school he moves towards the east, so suppose he walked 2 kilometers. Then he turned right. So where is his right? This is his right. So he turned right and walked 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer. Now, if he's here, where will his right be? This direction. If he's here, this will be his right direction. Okay. So he walks, then he turns right and walks 1 kilometer to reach his house. Then he walks 1 kilometer to reach his house. 2 kilometers. Gopal started walking 2 kilometers. So first option we are saying is east. So I go to the east 2 kilometers. Then I turn right. So this is my right. I turn right. I walk 1 kilometer. Then again, I turn to the right and walk 1 kilometer. Now I'm here. Okay. What is this direction? From here to here. What is this direction? Southeast. Okay. You can see from here. This is southeast. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Okay. Now A is the correct answer. Because I walked 2 kilometers, then 1 kilometer, and then 1 kilometer. So I am in which direction? I am in the southeast direction. Okay. No. Mohammed, straight means upward. Nahi. Wherever. We don't know. If he's facing north, then it is upward. He, in this case, was facing east. So he moved towards the east direction. Okay. So which direction did Gopal start walking? They're just, because in this question, they want you to find out which direction did he start walking straight. Normally, in normal question, when I am saying straight, then they will always tell you that he is facing north or he walks straight towards north. Okay. In this question, they wanted to know which direction he was facing. So they told you that he's walking straight. So we have found out that he's walking towards, he was facing the east and he walked straight for 2 kilometers, then took a right turn and then again took a right turn and walked 1 kilometer. And so he is to the southeast. Okay, Mohammed? Rafika, I hope you've understood. Yes. Om, you wanted again? Yes, Zeba, yes. I will explain again, don't worry. See, in this question, because it is not clear when I'm saying walking straight, I don't know whether it is north or not. See, what have they given me information that if my school is here, where will my house? Here, okay. Gopal's school is here and Gopal's house is here, southeast, okay. That much I know. Now I know that from the house, either he can travel to the right or to the left. Why will he not go in front? Is because he wants to come down, isn't it? School to house. This is my school, here is my house. So I will have to come down, right? So coming down means what? I will not travel to the north. And it may be possible, they will not, but here what we will do is we will take the options and try to find out. It's easier. It is less time consuming. So what are the 4 options? First is east, second is west, third is south, and fourth is north. So let us take the first option and see. Okay, here we are choosing the options and see. Okay, let me show you. So what we are going to do here is, I'm taking the first option. First option is straight, that is he's walking straight towards what? East. So Gopal is standing here. This is Gopal. Okay. We are saying that he is facing the east. What does this option mean? This option means he is facing east. What does option means? Facing west. So in the first option, we are taking the first option. Gopal is standing here. He starts walking straight because he is already facing east. He is walking straight towards east. How many kilometers? 2 kilometers. Then he turns right. So when I'm here, I have to see. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So Gopal moves towards his right and walks 1 kilometer. Okay. Then once he comes here, what will happen? Again, he sees that this is his left and this is his right. So he's again moving. See, he again turned right and walked 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. What is this distance from here to here? This distance is 2 kilometers. And what is this distance? This is 1 kilometer. So, and here he reaches his house. He reaches his house. So from Gopal to this, which direction is this? This direction. Which direction? This is southeast. How did I find out it's southeast? Because I can see from here. Okay, this is my east, this is my south, southeast. Okay, so Gopal's school was here. And this is his home. Okay. Let us try with the second option. If he was facing west, let us see what will happen. Suppose Gopal was facing, Gopal is standing here. Gopal is standing in a school. And suppose he is facing west. If he is facing west, what will happen? He is going 2 kilometers to the west. Did not come out as a straight line. Okay. So Gopal walks 2 kilometers straight. He is facing west. So he is walking towards west 2 kilometers. Then he turns right. So this is his right hand side. So he turns right and walks 1 kilometer. Then he again turns right. This is his right. He turns right. He walks how much? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Gopal is here and they say he's reached his home. Gopal school to this. Now let us see which direction is this. Okay, we want to see which direction is this. This is north, this is west. Which is this direction? This is northwest. This is northwest. But what have they already given you? His house is southeast. This is very important. His house is to the southeast from his school. So will this be okay? No. How should his house be? House should be southeast of the school. School, house, southeast. So you should get this. Is that clear? Okay. So I have even showed you the second option and done it for you to be able to understand that he has to move to the east. And how did we do that? We just took the option and we tried it out. Yes, Om, Zeba, Rafika. Yes, Mohammed, you can start. You can even do from the south and see. You will not get the answer. You'll get this right answer only when you are facing the east and going. Okay, you can at home. You can try all the other options also, right? Yes, Rafika, I've already answered that. Okay. Yes, Mohammed. Why don't you do it and see? Yes, Janvi, I can understand that first time when you read the question, you feel going straight means that I'm going to the north. Yes, I can understand that. Aditya also, yes. You may feel it that way, but what is the question saying? In which direction did Gopal start? If we already know that it's in the north, they would not have asked you the question, right? That is why you have to be very careful with the wording. The direction sums are simple in the sense that you can follow the question easily, but you have to read properly, read what they're asking. What they asked is, in which direction did Gopal start walking? That means it is not clear that he is going to start straight, means up. Okay. So this question is a little tricky. Okay, Aditya, let us do. Mohammed, you have to write it only once, don't write it so many times. Yes, Om. Good. You understood. Diksha also understood. Om understood. Very nice. Yes, Abhinav. Yes. Very nice. You are enjoying this. Yes, Devesh, you will solve it with the direct drawing only. In the question, there will be a little space where the options are given. Just draw and see, then only you will be able to do it. Okay. At home, at home you can even face the directions and do it so that it will register in your head. What what happens if I'm facing east means what? I have to move to my right. If I have to face west means I have to move to my left. Okay, that thing you try and do at home and then you will get the answer. Okay. Well, since Aditya, let me show you with the north. Muhammad also wants, so let us do that. Main thing is you have to first and foremost pay very important, most important point here is that the house is to the southeast of his school. Okay, that is the main thing that you have to remember. House is to the southeast. Now let us see. Now Gopal is standing here. If he moves 2 kilometers to the north, straight, if you feel your answer, let us checking this. 2 kilometers to the north from his school. Where is his right hand side? This is his right hand side. Okay, he turns right and moves 1 kilometer. Okay, he turns right and moves 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer. Then he turns right. Okay, so again, this is his right and moves 1 kilometer. Okay, this is his house. This is 2 kilometers. This is 1 kilometer. What direction is this? This is northeast direction. Okay, this is northeast direction. His house is here. His school is here. And his house is here. If you want a bigger diagram, let me show you with a bigger diagram. Okay. Gopal is standing here. If you say he straight means north, this is 2 kilometers. Okay. Then he is turning right 1 kilometer. Again he is turning right 1 kilometer. Can you see this is Gopal's school? And this is Gopal's house. What is this direction of Gopal's house from the school is what? It is northeast. Okay. So that is why this is not the case. Hope you've understood now, everybody. So this is the option D option that we tried out. Okay. This is not the answer. This is the D option. So we know that only A is the correct answer. Yes, Divya, you like the class? Great. Yes, Priyadarshini. Okay, Ashdeep, what you're saying, ma'am, if I'm standing in the school and I turn left, then right, and then left, in which turn, which direction is this? Okay. Yes, Gunjan, it's northeast. Okay. Ashdeep, you're standing in the school and you turn left and then right and then again left and then again right. So you are moving in a cycle, right? So you are back to the place. So I'll take this when I have a little space here. Okay. Yeah. So let us take the next question. That is fourth question. A man from a point walks 2 kilometers towards north. Okay. Starts from a point, walks to. See here, they have is immediately given 2 kilometers towards north. So now you already know that you're moving towards north, right? So this is the first. He turns towards his right and walk 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers towards the right. Okay. This is north 2 kilometers. Then 2 kilometers right and 2 kilometers right. Turns right again and walks. Right again and walks. In which direction now is he facing? Okay. So I am standing here. This man is standing here. He walks 2 kilometers north. So very clearly they have given 2 kilometers north. This is 2 kilometers. Then turns right. This is his right hand side. Okay. He turns right and walks 2 kilometers. Then this is his right and again turns right and walks. So he's just walking towards this direction. In which direction is he facing? See, he's going there, this direction. Which is this direction? This is my north, this is my south, this is my west, and this is my east. Which direction? This direction. Which is this direction? This is the south. So he's going towards the south direction. Is that clear? Yes? Yes, Sumit, very good. Om also got Chitrang, Zeba. Thank you, Zeba. You enjoying the class? Very nice to know. Now now I have place. So let's see. Arshadip is saying what? I'm standing in my school. Okay. And I turn left. This is my left hand side. So I turn left. Okay. Are you walking or you're just turning? If I'm turning left here, okay, if I'm turning left here, then what will happen? This is my left. I'm already turning left here. You have to give me the full question, okay? Yeah. We will do it when you give me this also, distances also, where I'm walking, how I'm walking, okay? We will take this when you give me the full question. Excellent, excellent. Yes, Manish. Yes, very nice. Manish, how you have done? You do that systematically. Yes, Samir, right. Yes, Abhinav, you have answered it correctly. So how Manish you have done? You have to, every time if you follow this method, you'll get the correct answer. Now let us go to the next sum. Janki started from her house and walked 2 kilometers to north. See, they've already given 2 kilometers to the north. Then she took a right. So 2 kilometers to the north. Then she took a right turn and covered 1 kilometer. Right turn and 1 kilometer. Then again a right turn and walk 2 kilometers. Which direction is she going? Janki is standing here. She is walking 2 kilometers to Welcome back. Okay, so we are discussing the sum with Janki. And what does Janki do is, let me change the color. Okay. Now, if Janki is standing here, so what is Janki doing? 2 kilometers to the north, then right 1 kilometer, again right 2 kilometers. So she walks 2 kilometers to the north. Then this is her right hand side. Okay, so she is moving right 1 kilometer. And after she has covered 1 kilometer, she is again taking a right. So again right for 2 kilometers. In which direction is she going? Okay, so in which direction? This is the direction she is going. Let me, as I always tell you, draw this north, east, south, and west. So, which is this direction? This is the south direction. Okay, right? So, we are in the north, south direction. Yes, Abhinav, Divya. Yeah. Chitrang, Gunjan. Yeah, very nice. Diksha also. Yes, I'm very, very, very easy. Yes. So now let us go to the next sum. This is exercise 10A, page 10.5. Okay. So let us do these sums. Now Mohan starts from a point A. Mohan starts from a point A. And walks 1 kilometer to the south. Okay. So this is south 1 kilometer. Okay. Then turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Then turns left again and walks 1 kilometer. Now he is facing which direction? So now you are asked that he is facing which direction? So he is standing here. Now I will. This is my north. This is my south. This is my west, and this is my east. Okay. Now he walks 1 kilometer to the south. So this is his south. He is walking 1 kilometer. Okay. Then turns left. This is his left direction. Okay, left direction. So he left 1 kilometer. Okay, this is 1 kilometer, and this is 1 kilometer. Then he turns left again and walks 1 kilometer. Okay, so left again walks. So which direction is he facing? Okay, where is the arrow? This is my arrow. Which direction is this? This is the north direction. So my answer will be this one. Okay, clear? Now we will do the second sum. Is this that question clear? Yes. Yeah. Now next sum. Yes, Rohini, Vaishnavi, Vaishnav, Pratidnya, yeah. Siddharth, Bhumika, Zeba. Yeah. So now second. Suresh starts from a point, walks 2 miles towards the south. Okay. So this is. So this is south 2 miles. Turns right and walks 1.5 miles. Turns left and walks half mile. Okay. And then turns back and then turns back. In which direction is he facing now? Okay. So let us do the second sum. So Suresh is standing here. Now let us see. This is Suresh is standing here, south 2 kilometers. Okay. South he goes 2 kilometers. Turns right. This is his right and walks 1.5. Okay, this is 1.5. Okay, he moves 1.5. Then left. Okay, so this is his right and this is his left. Then half, 0.5. And then he turns back. Okay, so now actually which direction is he facing right now? He's facing south. But important thing is he turns back. Turns back means you have to move 180 degrees. You're turning back. Okay, I'm facing you and I turn my back. That is, I'm showing my back to you. So that time what will be my direction? If I'm facing you is the north, when I go back, it will be the south. But here I am already facing the south. Suresh is already facing the south. And when he turns, what will happen? He is going to face north. Okay. So he's turning back. Turning back means 180 degrees. So from here, he's turning this direction. Okay. From here, he's turning this direction. So this is my north, the east, south, and west. So which direction is he? This is his north direction. Now, which is this? This is the answer. Okay. Right. Now let us see. Let us read this question. A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards the north. So north 4 miles, turns left and walks 6 miles, turns right and walks 3 miles, again turns right and walks 4 miles and takes rest for 30 minutes. He gets up and walks straight 2 miles in the same direction. 2 miles in the same direction and turns right and walks 1 mile. In which direction is he facing? Okay. So let this person be standing here. Okay, so he moves 4 kilometers. 4 miles towards the north. This is 4. Turns left. This is his left. Okay, so he's moving left and walks 6 kilometers. So this is 6 kilometers. 6 miles, sorry, not kilometers. Okay, so he walks 6. Then he turns right. Okay, then he turns right. So for right, I don't have place. So I have to start it here again. Okay, let me start from here. Suppose I'm standing here. A man is standing here, north 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers to north. Left. So this is the left. 6 meters, 6 miles. From here, turns right. So this is his right. Turns right, 3 kilometers, 3 miles. Then over here, again, there is a right. 4 kilometers. So from here, right, 4 kilometers. He rests over here. At 4 miles mark, he takes a rest for 30 minutes. He got up and walked straight 2 miles in the same direction. So which direction is he moving? He's moving towards the east. He's again going there and walks 2 miles straight there in the same direction. Okay. And then takes a right turn. So this is the right turn. So he is now moving in this direction. Okay, he's now moving in this direction and walks 1 mile. And walks 1 mile. So this is north, east, west and south. Which direction is this? This is the south direction. So this is the south direction. So option B will be the correct option. Okay. What they have put a googly here is and rest for 30 minutes. So you start getting confused. But what they say, he gets up and walks straight 2 miles in the same direction. So which direction was he moving? He was moving towards the east. He took a rest over there, again got up and started walking towards the east only. And then he turned right and walked 1 mile. And therefore, from this to this, it is that which direction is he now facing? He is facing the south direction. Yes, Ardhendu, Rohini, Manish, Zeba, Vaishnavi. Okay. Arnoor, the whole of logical reasoning consists of 20 marks. Okay. So all the 3 to 4 chapters that you have are going to get you 20 marks. No, they will not ask you how many kilometers are you from this. This is a question on directions. Okay. So mostly they will ask you in which direction you are moving. Okay. Yes, Divya, right. Okay. Good. You are understanding. Everybody is understanding and enjoying the study. That is most important, that you enjoy your study. Then next is Arun starts from point A and walks for 10 kilometers east to point B. Starts from east 10 kilometers to point B. Then turn to north. Then turn to north and walk 3 kilometers to the point C. And then turned west and walked 12 kilometers to point D. Then turned south and walked 3 kilometers to the point E. Which direction is he from his starting point? Okay. This is A, 10 kilometers to B. Okay. So east, 10 kilometers. And right now, up till now, we were doing sums in which the directions were told in terms of left hand side, right hand side. Now this sum is particularly talking about only the direction, north, south, east, west. Okay. They're not talking about left hand, right hand. Okay. So Arun started, he walked to east. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers. Okay. Then from B, he turned to north and walked 3 kilometers. Okay. So this is 3 kilometers to point C. Then this is point C. Then turned west and walked 12 miles. Okay, so this is 10, so he has to walk a little more than that. Okay, this is 12 kilometers towards west up to the point D. Okay, so he's reached D. Then again south and walked 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers and south. So he's reached here and walked for 3 kilometers to the point E. So this is the point E. In which direction is he from the start point? What is his start point? This is his start point. What is his end point? This is his end point. North, south, east, west. Where is his end point? Here. In which direction? From the start point. Which is this direction? This is the west direction. Okay, this direction. Okay, this is your west. So we are moving to this direction. So this is the west. In which direction is he from his start point? From the start point, he has moved to his west. Okay, understood? Yes, very good. Now let us go to the fifth sum. A starts from a point and walks 5 kilometers to the north. North, 5 kilometers. He turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Then again turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Point out the direction in which he's going. So in this question, they have mixed. They're also talking about the direction and also talking about the hand, left and right. So first is A starts from walking from a point and he walks 5 kilometers to the north. 5 kilometers. Then he turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, 3 kilometers. Then again left. Again left is this direction. Again left and walks 5 kilometers. A man starts and from a point and walks 5 kilometers north. Then turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Then turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Point out the direction in which he is going now. In which he is going now. Which is this direction? They are asking you, which direction is he going? This direction they are asking. So this is north, east, west, and this is the south direction. This is, therefore, he is moving to the south direction. So B will be the answer. You have to pay attention to the wording of the question. What is it they are asking you? In the earlier question, what did they ask you? From the starting point. Okay. In the fourth question, what did they ask you? In which direction is he from the start point? Right? From the start point. Okay. So that this was his start point. This was his end point. What was happening? He was moving in the end point is to the west of the start point. Now in this fifth question, what are they asking you? Asking you point out the direction in which he is going. In which direction is he going? He is going towards the south direction. Next sum. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. (20 kilometers to the east), turns right, runs for 10 kilometers, turns right, runs for 9 kilometers, again turns left, again turns left for 5 kilometers, again turns left for 12 kilometers, and finally turns left and runs for 6 kilometers. In which direction is he facing? So let us check whether we have written everything properly or not. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards the east. East 20 kilometers, turns right and runs for 10 kilometers, turns right and runs for 9 kilometers, again turns left and runs for 5 kilometers, turns left and runs for 12 kilometers, and finally turns left and runs for 6 kilometers. Now, what direction is the rat facing? Okay. I want you to try this so that I will be doing this for you. No, don't worry. But I want you to try also. Okay, so we will draw this and then I will explain it to you. Okay. Now a rat runs 20 kilometers towards the east. Okay, so this is my north, this is my east, south and west. Okay, so he runs 20 kilometers to the east. So he reaches here. Then he turns right. So this is his right. He turns right and runs for 10 kilometers. After that, he turns right again and runs for 9 kilometers. So then he reaches here. Here he turns left and runs for 5 kilometers. Okay, so he's turned left and run for 5 kilometers. Then again he turns left. Okay, so he turns left and runs for 12. So he reaches here. Now here he again turns left and runs for 6 kilometers. In what direction is the rat facing? What is this direction? So this is the north direction. So B will be the correct answer. 6th question, north. Yes, Pratibhya, good. North direction. Yes, Manish, Rohini, Vaishnav, Sakshi, Sakaldeep, yes, Bihu, Gunjan, Zebba, Sanjana. Ardhendu, it's not east, it is. Sanjana and Ardhendu, please check. Now I've given you the answer. Let us, then you will get the right answer, right? Oh, okay, it's a earlier some answer, right? Okay, so just follow. See, you see how I've written E20, R10. So you can make that and then accordingly you can do this. Because see, otherwise if I keep referring back to the question, there is a chance I may miss out something or I may do something twice. So this is a better option. 7th question. A driver left his village and drove north for 20 kilometers. So north for 20 kilometers, after which he stopped for breakfast. Okay. So he stopped for breakfast. Then he turned left and drove for another 30 kilometers. Then he stopped for lunch. After some rest, he again turned left and drove for 20 kilometers before he stopped for evening tea. Again, he turned left and drove for 30 kilometers to reach the town where he had supper. Supper, or you can even have like what we say dinner, that type of thing they are trying to tell you. After evening teas, in which direction did he drive? After evening teas, in which direction did he drive? Okay, we will reread this up. A driver left his village and drove north for 20 kilometers, after which he stopped for breakfast. Then he turned left and drove for another 30 kilometers where he stopped for lunch. After some rest, he again turned left and drove for 20 kilometers before stopping for evening tea. Once more, he turned left and drove for 30 kilometers to reach the town where he had supper. After evening tea, means they are asking from this. After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? Okay. Okay, so we have north, From here, 20 kilometers north. Then left. Let me write it in the center. Okay. So here, 20 kilometers north. Then left. So this is my left. So 30 kilometers to the left. Then again left. So 20 kilometers to the left. And then again to the left. And 30 kilometers here we are having. So what are they asking you? After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? So let us see. After he traveled 20 kilometers to the north, what did he have? He had his breakfast here. Okay. Then he drove 30 kilometers. After he drove 30 kilometers, what did he have? He had his lunch. After lunch, he drove 20 kilometers. Then he had his evening tea. Then after that, he drove 30 kilometers and he reached where he had supper. Okay. What they are asking you, after evening tea, in which direction did he drive? So this is your north, this is your east, this is your west, and this is your south. So this direction, he is moving in this direction. What is this direction? This direction. What is that? That is the east direction. So the question is not asking you where he has reached. After evening tea, what happened? Here he had his evening tea, then he started moving in this direction. Which direction is that? That is the east direction. Okay. Then we have the ninth sum. From a house, Prerna wishes to go to school. From home, she goes towards the north, then turns left, then turns right. Finally, she turns left and reaches school. In which direction her school is situated with respect to the house? Okay, now let us see. She's standing here. From her home, she goes to the north. Okay, she goes to the north. Then she turns left. So, okay, let me change the color. She's standing here at her home. From the home, she goes north. Okay. And then she turns left. This is her left. She turns left. And then she turns right. And then she turns left. Okay. And she reaches school. Okay. Prerna is at her home. She walks north. Then she turns left. Then she turns right. And then again she turns left and reaches school. So this is her school. Okay. Now, this is my north. This is my west. So can I see this direction? Okay. Can you all see this direction? Yes. In which direction is a school situated with respect to her home? Which is this direction? This direction. And what is this direction? Northwest. Okay, this direction is northwest. So ninth answer would be B. Clear? Here they did not talk about kilometers, they only talked about left and right and directions. Okay. Okay. Now have you understood this? This is not directly north or south, south. So here they've already given you that the options are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. So this is which direction? This is the northeast direction. Northwest direction, sorry. So northwest direction, that is B is the option. Okay. A child walks 25 kilometers towards north. Okay, north, 25 kilometers, turns right and walks 40 feet. Okay, now it's in feet. A child walks 25 feet towards north, then turns right and walks 40 feet, turn right again and walks 45 feet, then turns left and walks 20 feet, again turns left and walks 20 feet. Finally, he turns left to walk another 20 feet. In which direction is the child from his starting point? Let us reread the sum. A child walks 25 feet towards north, turns right and walks 40 feet, turns right again and walks 45 feet, turns left and walks 20 feet. He turns left again and walks 20 feet. Finally, he turns left and walks another 20 feet. In which direction is the child from his starting point? Okay. Okay. So, let us change the color. From here, 25 to the north. So then right, okay, here, so right 40. Okay, right, this is my right, so 40. Again right, so this is my left, this is my right, right 45. Okay, north 25, right 40, right 45. Okay, now I'm here, this is my left and this is my right. So now left 20. Okay, again left 20. Okay, left 20. Again left. Left 20. Again left 20. Again left 20. 1, 2, and 3. In which direction is the child from his starting point? Okay, so now this child has reached here. Okay, this is his start point. And where has he ended? This is his end point. So which direction is he from the start point? He is to the east. Okay, because this is north, west, and east. From the start point, which direction is the east point? End point, that is towards the east. So answer will be east. So 10th answer is east. Okay. So here you have to see what direction is the child from the starting point. Okay. So here he was starting point, here it is the end point. Start is here, end is here. From here to here, when I'm going, I'm moving towards my east. Okay. Let us take the 11th sum. Little, it is east. Okay. Yes, Roni, Zeba, and Manish. Now, 11th sum. Raju was facing north and moves 20 kilometers. Okay. North and 20 kilometers. Then turns right and moves 20 kilometers. Then northeast 10 kilometers. Then turn to his right and moves 20 kilometers. Turns to the right and moves 20 kilometers. Again turns to the left and moves 20 kilometers. It turns right and moves 20 kilometers and right and moves 20, again left and moves 20 kilometers. In which direction is Rahu facing? Okay, Raju, it's Rahu, it's Raju. Raju faces north, facing north moves 20 kilometers. Then he turns left, right and moves 20 kilometers. Then he moves 10 kilometers to the northeast and then to his right moves 20 kilometers and then to his right moves 20 kilometers and then to his left moves 20 kilometers. In which direction is he now facing? Okay. Raju is here. So let us write. Okay, Raju is here. 20 kilometers north. Then this is his right. 20 kilometers right. Then northeast. Okay, so now let us see. This is my north. This is my north. This is my east. And this will be my northeast. Okay. So from here, he moves northeast. So that is, he is going to go like this, 10 kilometers. Okay. Like this for 10 kilometers. Then right. So this is his right. Okay. So he will move right for 20 kilometers. So this is 10. This is 20. 20 kilometers to his right. Then what will happen? Again to his right. So 20 kilometers to his right. Okay, this is 20 kilometers to his right and left, and then left 20 kilometers. Then left 20 kilometers. Okay. This is 20. Which direction is Raju facing? So this is north, this is east, this is south, and you can see this direction. Okay. So which is this direction? This is the southeast direction. Okay. This is the southeast direction. Okay. So you will have this to be the southeast. 11th. Okay. So you may draw it. If you find it difficult right now, use a graph paper. On the graph paper, it will be all the more easier for you to draw. Okay. So you can do this and you can find out that he is facing the northeast direction, southeast direction. Okay. Raju faces north, moves 20 kilometers. Then he moves right 20 kilometers. He moves northeast 10 kilometers. Then he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. And then he moves right again 20 kilometers. Okay. And then he moves left. Okay. Sorry, it's left. That's it. Only direction is, it is going to be southeast only, but direction is this. Then he moves left. Okay, so this is left. This is his left and he moves how much? 20 kilometers. Okay, this is his direction. This is his direction. It is southeast. The arrow is this side. So arrow is southeast. So he moved left and he got southeast. Okay. I will show it to you again. He is standing here. He moves north 20 kilometers. Then he moves right 20 kilometers. Then again northeast. Northeast 10 kilometers. At northeast, he moves right. He moves right for 20 kilometers. Again, this is his right. Again, right. 20 kilometers. Then left. It is left. Okay. So, because it is left, it will move on this direction. 20 kilometers. So this is what? Southeast. Southeast. So therefore, I had taken a right turn. So that is why earlier I was putting in this direction. But I can't have it in this. This is going to be northwest. So answer because they are saying last is what? Left 20 kilometers. So left is here. Left 20 kilometers. So answer is southeast. Clear? Okay, you want watch some. Now let us go to first. Let me finish, then I will see what sums you have. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Divya, good. Concept clear ho gaya na? I will see what the 8th sum is. So many of you are asking. I will see. Let us finish what is allotted to us first. Shyam was facing east. Okay, he was already facing east. Okay. East 5 kilometers forward and then turned right and walked 3 kilometers. Again turned right and walked 4 kilometers. Then he turned back. Okay. 180 degrees. Which direction is he facing? Okay. Okay. Shyam is standing here. He is facing east. Five kilometers forward, then right. So this is his left, this is his right. Then right 3 kilometers. Then again right 4 kilometers. And then 180 degree. Okay. And then 180 degree. So he's going in this direction. 180 means opposite direction. He was going here. Which is this direction? West direction. 180 degree means he's going to go this direction. Now opposite of west is what? East. Opposite of west is east. Okay. So I have north, west and east. Okay. So he was moving in this direction. He turned back. Turned back means he's moving 180 degrees. So Turning back means what? Opposite. He was moving to the west. Now he's going to move towards the east. So answer will be A, east. Okay. 46. Raju is standing facing north. Okay. He goes 30 meters ahead, turns left, goes 15 meters, then turns right, goes 50 meters, 50, and finally turns right and walks. In which direction is he heading? Okay, in which direction is he heading? So Raju is standing here. He moves 30 meters. Okay. Then he moves 15 kilometers. So this is his left. Moves 15 kilometers. Then he turns right. Then this is his left. This is his right. Then he turns right. And walks 50 meters. And walks 50 meters. So did I miss out something? He is facing north. He goes 30 meters ahead, turns left, goes 15 meters, now turns right and goes 50 meters, finally turns right. Okay, now he's yet to turn right. Okay, finally turns right. This is his right. Okay. And starts walking. So which direction is this? They are asking you which direction is this. This is my north. And this is which direction? This is my east direction. So which direction is he walking? He's walking in the east direction. So 46 answer is B. He's walking in the east direction. Okay. 47 son. Sanmitra starts from his house and walks 3 kilometers north. So north 3 kilometers. Turns right, walks 2 kilometers. Turns right and walks 5 kilometers. Turns right and walks 2 kilometers. And again turns right and walks 2 kilometers. In which direction is he facing now? Okay. See, there is simply right. I move once right, second time right, third time right, fourth time right. 4 times if I shift in the same direction, I will be coming back to the original place. Okay. Suppose, let me show you this with an example. What do I have here? Okay, take example of this water bottle. Okay. So this water bottle is, if you can see this direction, okay. From here, if you can see this white portion, I turn right. So I turn right, okay, 90 degrees. Now it is from north, it's just facing east. Again, one more right, okay, one more right. So now it is going to face south, okay, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So now from north, it has come to south. 2 times turns means what? I'm again facing the north in this question, because earlier also he's saying that Sanmitra is facing north, and then 4 times he comes back, he's again going to face north. Okay, whichever direction they have given, not necessarily north, because in this question they have specifically said north, so he's coming back. Whatever direction, whatever the starting direction is, it is going to come back. Okay, so this is a trick question with a very easy shortcut. 4 times if I move right, I come back to the original place. 4 times if I move to the left, then also I will come back to the original. I will show you with the explanation also. Okay. Sanmitra is standing here. Okay. Sanmitra is standing here. So he moves 3 kilometers to the north. Okay. Now he is here. He moves right. This is his right. He moves 2 kilometers. Again, he moves right to 5 kilometers. Okay. Again, right 2 kilometers. Again, right 2 kilometers. Which direction is he? Okay. This direction is the first direction he was moving. Again, he is moving in the same direction. That is the north direction. Okay. Understood? 4 times right if I turn. So 4 times right, same direction. 4 times left, also same direction. Okay, I will be facing this. So this is a hint, big hint I'm giving you where you don't even have to do the calculation. This itself you will be able to. Okay. Okay, let me see what the 8th question, let me see. So we are referring to the 8th sum. Okay, a man is facing east. He turns very question. He turns left and goes 10 meters, then turns right, goes 5 meters, then goes to the south, then goes 5 meters to the south, and from there 5 meters to the west. In which direction is he now from his original place? Okay, let me repeat the sum. A man is facing east. He moves left and goes 10 meters, then turns right and goes 5 meters, goes 5 meters to the south, and from there 5 meters to the west. In which direction is he from the original place? Okay, let us. So he is already facing north, east. Okay, he's standing here. He's facing east. So he's facing, so means what? This is his left side, this is his right side. He is facing east, then he takes a left turn. Okay, 8 sum, he takes a left turn. So immediately he takes a left turn and goes 10 kilometers. Okay, he takes a left turn and goes 10 meters. Then he takes a right turn, goes 5 meters. Okay, then he takes a right turn and goes 5 meters. Then he goes south and goes 5 meters. So he goes south. Then goes 5 meters to the south. Okay. 5 meters and west, and from there west 5 meters. Five meters and then west to the 5 meters. Okay, right. Now let me show it again. It's a small diagram. So he is facing east. Then he goes 10 kilometers to the left. Okay. So he's facing east and he goes 10 kilometers to the left. 10 meters. Okay. So here he is. He goes, this is his left side. He's going 10 meters here. Then he goes to his right and goes 5 meters. Then 5 meters he goes south. Okay. 5 meters he goes south. Okay. 5 meters. See, here they have given you the direction he is going. Okay. They did not say he's turning back and going. So he is going south direction. So from here, he is facing east. He was first facing east. Then he took a left turn. So this is his left, this is his right. So he took a left turn, went 10 kilometers. Then what did I say? He turned right and walked 5 meters. Then he turned south, okay, and walked 5 meters. Okay. Then he turned west. Okay, so this is his east. Now he is going to go to west. How much kilometers? 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. So now he's reached here. Where is he from the starting point? This is his start point. And this is his end point. So where is he from the start to end? This is, which direction is this? This is the north direction. So option, what is the options given? C will be 8. C will be the correct answer. Okay. Right. I will explain again. Okay. So many of you have asked. I hope everybody has got this answer correct now. Right. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. Read what they are asking you to do. Person is facing east. So this is his left, this is his right. Okay. He walks 10 meters to the left. Then he moves 5 meters to his right. Okay. Then he's saying that he moves south, which is this. This is the south direction. So he'll move 5 meters to the south. Then they're asking you that, telling you that he's moving 5 meters to the west. Okay. 5 meters to south. 5 meters to west. So he is reached here. So what is the direction from the starting point? It is in the north direction. Okay. Everybody got this answer now? Okay. Yes, Farida, you liked it? Thank you. Yes, Abhinav, good. 9th I have already taken. You know? 9th sum I have already taken. Farida? I think you may have joined. See, from a home Prerna is taken. Okay. Yes. 48. So, man, have I taken 48 here? Okay, let me see what is 48. Okay. 48 also will take, and 12th, what is happening in 12th? Okay, let me see where I have placed. Okay, let me see. 12th is. We are trying to do the 12th sum. K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. Okay, so if this is P, then it's northwest direction. Okay, so this is north, this is west, and this is northwest. So K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction of capital P. So if this is P, then this will be K. And what is this distance? This distance is 2 kilometers. R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. So from K, what is the southwest direction? This is the southwest direction from K. So from K, what is the place? R is another place which is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. M is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. Northwest direction, again this. So, what is this place? Northwest direction. What is the place? M is another place which is located 2 kilometers. So, this is place M. And this is also 2 kilometers away from R. T is yet another place that is located 2 kilometers in the southwest direction from M. Southwest direction from M. So this is my T. So that is again 2 kilometers from M. In which direction is T located in reference to P? This is my P and this is my T. So in which direction is, it will be west, okay, because this is P, which is, what is this direction going? This is direction is west. Let me check the answer. 12. C is the answer. 12. Yes, 12 C is the answer. So this is west is the answer. Okay. I hope now you have understood. You have to move in the northwest and southwest direction. Okay. Northwest, southwest, northwest, southwest. Okay. Have you understood this, Soumya? Amit? Mohammed? Okay, Farida. Yes, Divya, funny question. Diksha also, I think, Amit, so many wanted 12. Madan, Zeba. Farida, you can check the 9th question. You can just go to YouTube and see the video again. Okay. Which other thing you wanted? Okay. Let me see. Question number 20. Sakshi. Okay. Now see. You know the simple rule of nature? That in the morning the sun is going to rise in the east and set in the west. So when the sun is rising in the east, okay, when the sun is rising in the east, the shadow is going to fall in the west. Okay. There are two structures. There are two structures. I don't know which is which. Okay. I don't know which is facing east. Now this is my east direction. Okay, this is my east direction. When the sun will rise here in the morning, what will happen? The shadow of this structure is going to fall on this structure. Shadow is going to fall on this structure. And in the evening, when the sun is about to set here, the shadow of this structure is going to fall on this structure. Okay. Now what they are saying, daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Barakaman. So that means shadow, this is Gol Gumbaz. Its shadow is going to fall on what? Barakaman. Okay. And in the evening, the shadow of Barakaman is going to fall on Gol Gumbaz. So in which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Barakaman? Gol Gumbaz to Barakaman is in which direction? Now can you tell me? Right? Yes, quickly tell me now. What are they asking? In which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Barakaman? Eastern direction. Okay. Gol Gumbaz is to the east of Barakaman. Okay. Right? Understood? Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. East. Because they are asking Gol Gumbaz to Barakaman. So, Gol Gumbaz Barakaman की किस direction में है? तो उसके east direction में. Okay. Yes. 19th is same. 19th. A man walks 8 kilometers to the north, turns right and walks 12 kilometers, turns left, walks 7 kilometers, and walks 20 kilometers towards the south. Okay. Turns right and walks 12 kilometers. In which direction is he from his starting point? Okay. A man starts from a point, walks 8 kilometers to the north, turns right and walks 12 kilometers, turns left and walks 7 kilometers and walks 20 kilometers towards south, turns right and walks 12 kilometers. From which direction is he from the starting point? So, he's here, he's walking 8 kilometers north, then he's turning right. Okay, right, he's walking 12 kilometers, then he's turning left. So he's turning left and walking 7 kilometers. And then he walks south 20 kilometers. So this is 7. So this is 7. And then he's walking 20 kilometers to the south. So here he was here. South is this direction. So he's walking 20 kilometers to the south. Then he turns right. Okay, he turns right and walks 12 kilometers. Okay. This is his right. He walks 12 kilometers. So he is now here, directly below. This is his start point. This is his end point, directly below. What is this direction? This is the south direction. Okay, so he is to the south of his starting point. Okay, so from the starting point, he went 8 kilometers to the north. Then he went 12 kilometers to the right. Then he went 7 kilometers to the left. Then he started walking 20 kilometers to the south. This is the important thing. So he's here. He was facing north. He's going directly back. So south. 7 kilometers here, and total how much? This is total is 20 kilometers. From this point is from this point to this point, this is total is 20 kilometers. So he comes down, then he goes to the right, he goes 12 kilometers. This also, while going also he has gone 12 kilometers, coming back also is gone 12 kilometers. So that is why he is directly below his starting point, and that is means that in respect from starting point, in which direction is he? He is to the south of the starting point. Okay. That's all there is. Okay, try out more sum. Yes, Zeba, I hope you have understood now. Yeah, very good, Bibhu. Bhumika also you got it right. Okay, that's all from my side today. Okay, thank you for your patient hearing. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Okay, thank you all.